another episode of Lenape Live. I'm your host, Jynx for birthday.
And it's Friday, September 27th, and we're so happy to be back.
Get ready, Lenape, because this is Lenape Live.
It feels great to be back in the swing of things here over at Lenape Live. Isn't it, Jynx?
Yes, it is. This is definitely the best part of my Fridays. Other than going home, of course.
You can say that again. Anyways, into the morning announcements.
September 19th to August 21st, Lenape's autism program is partnering with Book Smiles to provide people in need with new or gently used books. There are collection bins placed in the South Foyer, North Caf, Media Center, Main Office, and B104, so please feel welcome to drop off some books.
Interested in Astronomy Club, but don't have enough room in it for your schedule to take the class? Join Astronomy Club. The interest meeting is on Tuesday, October 1st in room A207 during Lunch and Learn. Make sure you bring your friends, and the officers hope to see you there.
For everyone new to our school who doesn't quite know what they want to do yet, you should know you're always welcomed over here at Lenape Live. I've created a segment demonstrating exactly what goes on down here every Friday.
Lenape Live is a morning show produced every Friday by Lenape's very own students. All crew members, hosts, and segment creators are your very own peers, and we need all the help we can get. Lenape Live is in search of creative minds to help make segments or students ready to learn all different kinds of positions to help run our show. Whether in the studio to man a camera, in the control room for everything behind the scenes, or on air being the faces of our show. Your interest is what we need. No experience is required. We can teach everything you need to know right here in ND25. So please consider joining our team and being a part of such a talented group.
Trivia is a common but fun game, and with the added chance of a sweet treat, how much better could it get? So please welcome the Lila and Angelina Show.
Hey guys, today we are asking people a question. If they get the question right, they get a lollipop.
Aaron Smith.
Name all three actors who starred as Spider-Man in the various Spider-Man movies. Yes. How many slices are in an average orange? Like 10. 16. No, like 10. Oh my god, I got it. What fast food chain introduced the first kids meal with a toy? McDonald's. Correct. Okay. Which famously left One Direction? Zayn. Good job. What is the Pythagorean theorem?
I know this. A squared plus B squared equals C squared.
Good job. Hey. Which vegetable is known to make people cry when they cut it? Onion. Boy, give me. Yeah! Who sings the song Grenade? Bruno Mars. Bruno Mars. Yeah. Yes, sir. How many states signed off the Constitution? 13. 13. It was 12. Take the pops anyway. What are the primary colors?
Red, blue, and green.
What's the name of Greg Heffley's older brother in the movie Diary of a Wimpy Kid?
Roderick Heffley.
Good job. That's it for this week's segment. Tune in for next week.
Well, NP, that looks like it's it for this week's episode.
Make sure to keep up with us on Instagram at Lenape Digital Media and stop by ND25 to see how you can be a part of our show.
We'll be back next Friday, October 4th, for a special Pride Day episode. But until then, have a great weekend, Lenape.